Montserrat Oni, and I am the chair of the Social Services Committee for Community Board 17. And I am now calling this meeting to order. For roll call and introduction of members, would just like to call on people to introduce yourself to the group. It does not look like we have quorum as of yet, but we can get started. Ms. Brown, will you introduce yourself and your position if you're on the board or a community member?
Monica McKeon, committee member.
Thank you. Ms. Charles?
Hyacinth Charles, committee member.
Thank you so much. Ms. Reed?
Good night, everyone. Janice Reed, board member and committee member.
Thank you. And Ms. Demolier?
Yes. Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening. Are you on the board as well, or are you just a...
No, I'm just a guest.
Okay, fantastic. Well, welcome and thank you for joining us. I'm going to skip the approval of minutes since we do not have quorum for this meeting, and just give the quick chairperson report. This will be our last meeting of the year. We are coming up on solidifying a date for our health fair, which will be in April. As soon as the actual date is confirmed, I will send an email around to let people know. And then our hope is to start planning when we reconvene in January. And the Social Services Committee has been asked to help support the Community Board 17 holiday party in partnership with Congresswoman Farrah Lewis. Yes, Farrah Lewis, Farrah Lewis's office. If anyone here would like to help with that, please let me know. Would definitely appreciate participation. And as details of that come out, I will send an email around to the group as well. And that is my chairperson's report. We do not have a presentation this week, so I will move to new business. Oh, Ms. Reed, do you have a report?
No, I do not.
Okay. So does anyone have any new business?
I was wondering if I can just get like a few minutes, very brief, to just discuss something.
Yes, sure. That is what this time is for. Please go ahead.
Okay. So hi everyone again. So my name is Stephanie Demolier. So I'm currently a public health grad student. I attend the CUNY School of Public Health. So I wanted to take a few minutes to discuss. I want to take a few minutes to discuss about having healthier access to foods. So again, like it's important to make informed decisions about our food choices, as they can significantly impact our health. If we're not being mindful of what we eat, we may be putting ourselves at risk of developing chronic health conditions such as obesity, diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and even like mental health illnesses such as anxiety and depression. Unfortunately, many communities in New York City face like social and health disparities due to lack of access to healthier food options. Um, However, there are ways to address this issue. Community District 17 according to the community health profile for New York City, has a particularly high rate of adult obesity, which stands at 34%, well above the rate of the rest of New York City. This trend is like worrying because obesity is a major risk factor for many chronic diseases, including diabetes and hypertension. In fact, more than 700,000 adult New Yorkers have already been diagnosed with diabetes, and an additional 164,000 are estimated to have diabetes but are not aware of it. In East Flatbush, 15% of the adults have already been diagnosed with diabetes, where areas 36% of the adults have been told that they have hypertension. These figures suggest that the rate of diabetes in this community is similar to the average of New York City, while the rate of hypertension is reported to be higher than the overall rate in the city. So to tackle these issues, which is increasing access to healthier food options across all communities and establishments, which is extremely vital. And this is where I want to advocate about Bill number A06720. And this is where it comes to play. And this bill directs the Department of Health to develop state food guidelines for foods purchased, served, and sold by state agency programs and institutions on state property. For this, I just wanted to, acknowledge this bill because this bill will implement and regulate nutritional guidelines to ensure a healthier diet. I'm pretty sure some of us where you've been a CUNY or SUNY student, or you've worked in a hospital setting where, especially like with the vending machines, like you don't have you want something to eat and you don't have access to something healthier, like a healthier meal. Like this bill will ensure that these establishments are placing these healthier options for people in our community across New York State. So that was all. Thank you for your time. That's all I wanted to say for this evening.
Okay, thank you so much. Could you please repeat the bill number? I got A and then I missed the rest.
A06720.
Okay, and you said you're a grad student?
Correct.
Okay, and do you live in CB17 or you go to school here?
No, I live in Queens,
Okay,
and the school is in Harlem.
okay.
I mean, as far as like, CUNY Public Health, we discuss like all 5 of the boroughs.
Okay, so you're just reaching out to different community boards?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you be interested or willing to do some sort of online workshop maybe for Community Board 17 residents around this?
Sure.
Okay, because we've been discussing ways to get health related messages to the community, not just during our April Health Fair. So if I could get your email, I can shoot you an email and we can maybe talk about doing something at the top of the year, both to let people know about the bill and also just to educate them about some of these healthier food options you were talking about.
Okay. Is there, because I'm not used to using this Cisco WebEx meeting.
Yeah.
So is there, because I was trying to locate the chat.
At the top, if you're on your phone, at the top right, there's a little chat bubble.
No, I'm on my laptop.
There. There should be, it just looks like a little sort of,
Okay, I see it now.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I'll send it to you. Do you want me to send it to the host? It says community board, like a private message?
You could just put it to everyone and then I can copy it.
Okay.
Okay, I got it and I will shoot you an email. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, does anyone else have new business? I wanted to repeat again that Social Services Committee will be working with Farrah Lewis's office on the holiday party or holiday event for Community Board 17. So if anyone is interested in helping out with that, would really appreciate you letting me know.
Okay, and so this is Hyacinth,
Yes.
and I'm interested in helping.
Okay, fantastic. So I will reach out to you later this week, probably tomorrow or Wednesday with some more details. Thank you.
When will be
Okay.
the event held? This is Ms. Reed. When will be the event held?
I do not have the date. Chair Daly has the date, so I will confirm with him.
Okay.
I can follow up and let you know as well. So if maybe the date works, if that's something you could be involved with.
Yeah, just let me know. I'm doing some traveling, so you can let me know if
Gotcha.
I'm available. All right, thanks.
Thank you. Is there any other new business? Okay, does anyone have old business that they would like to bring up that we haven't discussed? For old business, I would just reiterate that we are looking to plan our health fair. We will start planning in January. If there is no more old business, I think we can actually adjourn this meeting. This is pretty quick. This will be our last meeting for this calendar year, as we'll all be celebrating the holidays next month. So please look out for any email updates for me through email. I'll be sending information both about the holiday party and then the finalized date for our health fair in April, and then we can begin planning for that. So if there's nothing else, I guess we can adjourn the meeting. Does anyone move to adjourn?
Okay, this is Hyacinth. I move to adjourn.
Thank you. Do we have a second?
Janice Reed, second.
Go ahead, Ms. Reed.
Janice Reed, second.
Okay, thank you all so much. Really appreciate you, for working with us this year and for staying involved, and looking forward to a really productive year with you all next year. Have a great day and happy holidays.
Happy holidays
Thank
to all.
you.
Same to
Happy
you. Have a
holidays.
good night, everyone. Happy holidays, everyone.
Good
Bye-bye.
night,
Thank you.
ladies. Good
Bye-bye.
night. All right.